Hi, I'm Rusi with Ninja Green, and I'm going to show you how to get your fruit tree to bear fruit again. In this particular instance, this client has an apricot tree, and this apricot tree gave lots and lots of fruit for a couple of years and then stopped. So one of the things this client has asked me to do is to see if we can get this tree going again. So what we've done as a first step, and it's already been completed, but we've cleared out a lot of the center branches. You can see here they've been cut way back, and we took out maybe 50 to 60% of the branches that were in here, maybe even more, really to get it back down and take that load off of the tree so it can focus less on supporting all those branches and leaves and a little more concentrating its energies into bearing some fruit. So that's one tip, one step that you can take to help improve not only the volume and getting it to fruit again, but it'll also help improve the volume and the quality and the size of the fruit that the tree will create. The next thing is, sometimes trees that have been neglected need nutrients. Down here at the root system, you want to make sure that the tree is getting the nutrients that it needs. In this particular instance, the grass went right up to the edge of the tree, and apricot trees and many fruit trees actually get a lot of their nutrients from the surface. And when they're competing with the grass is taking the nutrients out of the ground and it leaves less for the tree. So what we've done here is we've started to pull the grass back away from the trunk of the tree, and ideally you want to go all the way out to the drip line, but for aesthetic purposes this particular client doesn't want us to come all the way back here and have a big empty spot. Next thing you want to do is to provide some fertilizer. So fruit trees, you want to get a very specific fruit tree fertilizer. You'll notice that there are 3 numbers. The first number is nitrogen, that helps for leafy growth, and the next 2, phosphorus and potassium, help for cellular and root growth. So in this particular instance, the instructions tell us that we want to apply this fertilizer 4 times a year at 1 cup per inch of diameter of trunk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure up the trunk, and this trunk here, measuring it about a foot off the ground, is 3.5 to 4 inch trunk. So that's going to be 4 cups of fertilizer, and you'll want to mix it into the soil that's around the trunk. And again, it helps to have the grass line further back to allow it to get more nutrients. So I'm going to put in the first cup here. We're going to take that, we're going to sprinkle it in, get it all around the tree. We want to make sure it's mixed into the soil, and watering it in, of course, will help as well. I'm Rusi with Ninja Green, and this is how you get your tree to bear fruit again.